Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to customize mobile video templates in Canva, step by step. It's super easy, and you can edit everything from text to design right on your phone or desktop. So let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage. Then, click on the mobile video option. You'll see lots of video templates here. Choose any one you like. I'm clicking on this video template. Next, click on Customize this template and wait for it to load. Once it opens, your video template will appear on the Canva timeline. You'll see text, images, and design elements already added to the video. If you want to change something, you can easily edit the text, replace images, or adjust the design. You can customize everything in this video. Now it's time to download your video. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Then click on Download and press Download again. Your customized mobile video will start downloading in just a few seconds. And that's it. That's how you can easily customize mobile video templates in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what Canva tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.